Help me! Help me!
내게 한 가지 소원을 묻는다면.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I've put together some outfits to show you how to transition some of your pieces from the spring to summer seasons. So I hope you guys enjoy. For this first outfit, I wanted to show how much layering is just key into transitioning your outfits. And my cat wanted to say hello. Just kidding, he ran away from me. So in this outfit, I've paired some necklaces and I've layered some jewelry because the actual outfit has pretty basic pieces. And so I think that's why it's so important and fun to accessorize. I forgot to show you here, but I also carry around a bright colored bag just as a pop of color, and it's a fun accessory. I would wear this to brunch, to a meeting. Honestly, the options are endless. Alright, moving on to outfit number 2. I'm showing you 2 different hat options that I kind of couldn't decide between. You can obviously pick based on what you like. Honestly, I think even without the hats, the outfit is cute on its own. It's very spring and summery with the colors. I've got a light purple on top with a light sage green pant on the bottom, even though you can't really tell on camera. I think the key here is really mixing the textures of the fabric. So on the top I have a light silk that's really flowy and is going to keep you cool, but on the bottom is like a heavier denim to keep you warm if it cools down. I think one of the big trends this year is mixing lots of colors and going for brighter color palettes, which I think is so fun. So I really encourage you to step out of your comfort zone. Alright, this is the picnic bitch outfit. This is the outfit that I love to wear if I'm just going to be lounging around outside, chilling in the grass. I went for a more monochromatic look, but I honestly think this outfit is so easy to recreate with whatever you have in your closet. Colorful shorts, a colorful sweater, have fun with it. For shoes, I would usually pair this with either sneakers or my godsend, my favorite Tevas, the Voya Infinities. I love them to death. And the nice thing about this outfit is that if it gets chilly at night, you can just take your sweater off and throw it on, and you'll be nice and comfortable and cute. Although honestly, once the sweatshirt comes on, it means it is bedtime for me. I need to go home and get into my bed. Guys, this is one of my favorite sweaters because it has Space Jam on it. If you don't know what Space Jam is, you need to rewind back to your elementary school days and go watch it because it is the best movie. Alright guys, so for outfit number 4, this is actually wildly out of my comfort zone because we are mixing patterns. For my accessories, I chose these really beautiful blue little origami cranes that are the same shade of blue as the dress, but if you can see, the dress has a floral satin sheen versus the top is actually a knit with marble print, and I would never think to put these two together, but actually the colors do work. Now this is probably what I would normally gravitate towards. This is much more comfortable for me, although the colors may not be very spring-like, but honestly you could wear this any season. I'm wearing some Doc Martens with them because these are spicy. And I'm also wearing them with my flared jumpsuit from Rolas, which I absolutely love. Ladies and gentlemen, we are bringing in a spicy number for outfit number 5. I'm pairing this year's favorite knitted vest that I thrifted with the silk shirt that I got from Zara from the first outfit underneath, and then I'm pairing it with some knee-high boots that I also thrifted. But if this is a little short for you, I wore it with a skirt underneath. You could also wear it with denim shorts, and I think that would still look really cute. And if it gets chilly, you can pair a jacket on top. I paired this patchwork denim jacket that I love. Alright, this next outfit is also a little bit of a spicy, fun number because you do show a little cleavage, but I'm obsessed with this cropped knit I don't know what you'd call it, half sweater. I think it's such a fun and beautiful color, and also this bag that I thrifted that is literally sent down from the heavens. It's so beautiful. But I think this outfit is honestly perfect for date or night. You could switch it out for darker black jeans and easily go out. For this last outfit, I paired this dress from Zara with just a simple white shirt underneath, and I honestly love this look because it gives me such like vintage 90s vibes, which I am digging. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more, and let me know which outfit you liked the best.